In today's video, I will walk you through how to use the MLINE command in AutoCAD. To begin, type MLINE in the command line and press Enter. To set the justification, type J and press Enter. You can choose from three options: top, zero, or bottom. Select top to draw the multiline below your cursor. Select zero to center the multiline on your cursor. Select bottom to draw the multiline above your cursor. Next, adjust the distance between the parallel lines using the Scale option. Enter a numerical value to set the width between the lines. Once your settings are complete, click in the drawing area to start the multiline. Continue clicking to create each point of the multiline. You can use the multiline to trace over an existing polyline. Continue selecting points to create the shape you need. Once you're finished, delete the original polyline if it is no longer needed. Your multiline will remain in the drawing with the width and shape you specified. And that's how to use the MLINE command in AutoCAD. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.